Got buttermilk? Hey y'all, welcome back to Dora's Garden once again. In today's video, I will be showing you my no makeup tutorial. It's definitely for beginners. I am a rookie when it comes to makeup, okay? I love watching the tutorials. I give it to y'all females and males who dedicate themselves on a daily basis. So, if you're interested in my beginner package, stay tuned. I am starting off with the e.l.f. Lifter and Filler Eyebrow Pencil in the color Ivory/Medium. Next, I am going in with Maybelline New York Dream Bronze 8-in-1 Beauty Balm in the color light/medium bronze. And let me tell you, this product is so awesome. Here are the 8 benefits. It illuminates, warm skin tones, evens, veils imperfections, help protect with SPF 25, hydrates, smooths and refreshes the skin. And let me tell you, I can honestly use this product by itself, but I have combination skin where as though my skin is oily in some areas and dry in others, so I have to finish it off with a powder. Now, this is the powder I was talking about. It is a butter bronzer by Physician Formula. And let me tell you, honey, that glow that you will receive with this product is off the chain. And look how cute that makeup sponge is. Oh my gosh, I just love the packaging. I just love the whole thing. Listen, Huntsy, this product right here will have your lashes looking like falsies. But whole time they natural. You hear me? You see how that brush, it has sides and it has the tip has a ball where it just helps extend your lashes to the fullest. Oh my gosh, I love this product. And this is Covergirl So Lashy Blast Pro mascara. Okay, it is waterproof. All right, it is the balm.com, honey. All right, and next I am going in with NK lip pencil in the color Cocoa to outline my lips. Please excuse me, I don't know why I just did that. Now this right here, glory, glory, glory. What the matter, boo-boo? Last but not least, one of my staples, y'all, okay? This lip gloss from LA Colors, it is amazing, okay? It is super moisturizing, and it be having your lips popping for no reason, okay, when I tell you. And it's just a beautiful nude color. Oh my gosh, it'll look perfect on any skin tone, all skin tones. But yes, this is your final result, y'all, which I think I love it. This is like an everyday look. I want to thank you once again for tuning into my video. Until next time. And please make sure that you subscribe, you comment, you share, all the above. All right? All right.